we are watching shares of Broadcom in the red in after-hours trading, despite a third quarter earnings beat on both the top and bottom lines. The chipmaker's fourth quarter revenue guidance came in just below estimates. Looking at that outlook, Q4 revenue, the company now sees that $9.27 billion versus the $9.28 billion that was expected. So just coming in slightly lower, but that does point to this continued sluggishness that we've seen in chip demand as well. Earnings coming in at $10.54 a share. That was a beat. Revenue coming in at $888 there as well, and that was a beat. But Hock Tan, the CEO of Broadcom, saying our fourth quarter outlook projects year-over-year growth, reflecting continued leadership and networking for generative AI. Now, Ali, it's worth noting we're seeing that stock down 2.7%, but this stock did hit a record high in the session today at one point at 923.24. It's up 65% year to date, and this is one of those companies that has really been swept up in this AI push to the top, as we've seen the investor exuberance take hold on the expectations about how significant a revenue driver AI is likely to be. Last quarter, we heard from Broadcom saying that sales related to AI will double this year. So they're certainly going to get a lot of questions about what that demand looks like moving forward, especially after we heard from the leader, NVIDIA, in terms of what kind of demand they're seeing there. But right now we are seeing the stock down. You could argue some profit taking happening, but also that outlook pointing to demand not quite there, looking forward to Q4.
And you mentioned NVIDIA. They had a blowout quarter, yet the initial stock reaction was meh. And it goes back to our early conversations about Palantir and all of these companies with AI exposure. The investor, they're just a little cautious right now. And again, it's that wait and see story down the line. So we'll have to keep tracking that.